It's your boy B, man. Trying to learn this subnetting, you heard me? So what I'm gonna do, post this stream, watch back, and teach myself. See what I did wrong. Alright, let's see if we got enough for that. Think we're gonna have enough? Nah, it's kinda too big. Let me zoom out. Alright. What is that? Oh, that's my I'm like, what that is? Alright, so we got target. So let me just find somewhere to write that. So it's first thing I look at is 28 slash 28 notation. So that means 8, 16, 24, 32, right? But I got to borrow bits from this octet. So 8, 16, 24. So how can I erase this also? No eraser. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. All right, so that's my slash 24 notation. This is gonna help me find my network address. So I know my network address is 1 octet, 2 octet, 3 octet. So what I can do right now, 46, 41, 119. This should have been 019. We ain't gonna talk about that. Alright, now this tricky part, this is where I go back to this, right? Cause 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 0 would have been 8. But I ran out of room. Can I stretch it out? I can stretch it out. A 0 right there. Okay, let me zoom back out. Hmm. So that means it would have been 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16. 16 plus 32 equals 48. 48 plus 64 is 1, 4. 48 plus. I gotta write it out. I gotta write it out. All right, 112. I knew it was. I knew it was. I just had to make sure 112 plus 128. 0. Carry 1, 3, 4. 140. 140. Oh man, 140. I say 140. That's gonna be my network. I don't know if this is right though. Oh, network. I think this should be right though. I don't know for sure. Let's see. No, it's not right. No, that's not right. Man, I know this gotta be right. 46, 41, 119. Nah, I wouldn't. 80. 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 80. Hold on. 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16. 240. I said 140. It's 240, dude. Damn, what did I do wrong? 240. All right, 128 plus 6. Dang, two was on the 80. So I had the network part right. I knew that it was these 3 bits because of the ones. But with this point right here be throwing me off. I gotta learn how to calculate that right. I'm thinking I'm just gonna be using this up here. That's not the case. Oh, first host, not. That's my bad. Oh, I'm looking. I'm still looking at my answer because I don't see how I got it wrong, bro. 46, 41, 119, 255. No, it can't be 255 because they're gonna be the broadcast address. It's gonna be 254. Dang. Oh, I get it now. What they say, I understand now. 4 should have been my last one, so this one should have been like 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means I got 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to go back and read, bro. 94. What? How, Sway? Oh man, I'm gonna be so frustrated looking back at this. This not even right. Oh my god, duh, bro. Man, I'm acting slow today. Oh my god, what did I do? I don't know what I just did wrong. I'm finna go watch a video real quick to understand this better. I don't know what's going on. Hey, look, I'm live. Um, since I'm studying CCNA, I really want to use that same resource.
The other thing we know is this slash 24 means the mask has 24 binary ones, which leaves 8 binary zeros. And get this, the binary zeros in the mask tell us where the host bits are, where the host part of the address is. So, in other words, the last octet on the far right is the host part. So the dot 3 lands in the host part. Everything in between is the subnet part. So what does that tell us? Hey, this address is part of class A network 10. There's one network octet. We've got 2 subnet octets in the middle.
So what I first should have realized is that 47. Let me see something real quick. This is what I first should have realized. Gotta start using my resource. I got the book right here with all the subnet numbers, all the decimal numbers, and decimal dot notation numbers. So let's just keep watching.
All addresses in that subnet begin with 10.1.1, and then the last octet is the host.
Class A network because it's 10. Start with a 10. Private. I mean it's private. Subnets in the middle. Class plus mask defines two octets.
Host field, and those values are unique within the subnet, just like street addresses are on a street. Let's talk about addresses first. The idea of an IP address is defined in the very RC that defines the Internet Protocol. It's defined as a binary number that's 32 bits long. It's defined as being represented as a dotted decimal number for convenience, but it's defined to be used as an identifier for an interface. For instance, a router might have 10 interfaces connected to different. Now, I mentioned this idea of a subnet broadcast address. It doesn't get much use today, so it's a bit of an old term, but just so you see what it's about. The subnet broadcast address can be used like this. PC1 can send one packet. The one packet is routed, and if it's sent over here to the subnet broadcast address in this subnet, when it gets over to the right, it will be sent to all the hosts in the subnet. So a broadcast to host just in that subnet. So PC1 sends a packet to the right-hand subnet's subnet broadcast address. Router R1 just forwards it to router R2. When router R2 gets it, when it sends the packet into the LAN, it puts it in an Ethernet frame that's an Ethernet broadcast frame. So all hosts receive it. Everybody gets a copy of this subnet broadcast packet. When they receive it, they'll think like this: hey, the destination is the subnet broadcast. Let me process it and maybe reply. For instance, you can do a ping to a subnet broadcast address and often get multiple devices to reply back to you. So let's go over those subnet backs one more time. The subnet ID is reserved, and the subnet broadcast address in each subnet, they're both reserved. Then to calculate the useful or usable addresses, we take the subnet ID and add 1 to the value in the fourth octet to find the first.
Alright, let's see if I can get this one right, bro. So I just had what 8, 16, 24, 32. So 24, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know my network host is gonna be 165, 212. That's 816. But this way it get tricky at like it's borrowing bits from the next one. I was counting and all like what that come in at? Like I got 8 different spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 165. What? That's class B, right? 165. 165 is class B. Oh yeah, I think that's when I'm gonna have to. No, 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 that's not. That's subnet mask, and nothing. None of this even asks about subnet mask. So I don't need to. No, I'm even writing that out like this. I should be able to see this and know. All right, but since I'm talking about it, let's just know it's 22. So 22, 2, 5, 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, 5, 2, 0. That's my subnet mask. Alright. If that's my subnet mask, I know my network is the first two octets. And borrowing from those. Once we get the network, everything else be kind of easy, but I'm just trying to see though how to get the network first. Hmm. What am I doing wrong, bro? 255 is gonna be the max, right? Let me just add something up, really. She said it's Valentine's Day every day for her. Shawty, shout out. That's why I'm missing a whole number. I'm missing a whole number in here trying to be technical. Like, don't even know my subnets for real. I'm like, I don't know what's going on, bro. Oh Lord, damn. 32, 16, 8, 4, 2. I always know if it's 0 or 1. Like, what they show that at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's wild. I had to do the calculation. I see I was missing the whole thing. Yeah, this one. All right, boom. Now I know. I understand now. So 22 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 16, 24. Take away them last one. 0, 0, 1, 2. Alright, so the last two don't get added. So that means 3, 252. And that's how we get 255, 255 with 252. And that's just the network mask. So I know my network mask, but I don't know my network ID, right? Mm, this is my network portion. 252. 252. How I wrote it up though? 252. Nah, that didn't matter. I just know it's class B. It's class 22, and it's 252. So how can I find? Mm-mm-mm. Just try it out, bro. Just try it out. 250. If you know it's 252, 252. It's the maximum number of hosts you could have, right? Because that's the max. But that's the maximum number. 252. I don't know why I'm thinking this. Hmm. But I'm thinking like if we got zeros still, why are we keeping the third octet? Because it's 8, 16, it's slash 22. It's not filling up the whole. I know the rest of this though. I said that last time, tripping. But I really do. I really do know the rest of this. I just had to see what they was asking for. You know, like Oh yeah. My bad, my bad. Oh, that's where the subnets. This where the subnets come into play now because we're not using the whole thing. What we using is what how they forget how they try to put it. Since we borrow in bits, how did they put that? I know my host equals that. Mm, subnet ID and subnet broadcast, which is the network ID and a broadcast. So how about this? I know this. This gotta be this, right? No, I'm about to get off here, man. This discouraging, dog. I can't even cap. Like, what? Oh my god, this is discouraging. Fuck, man. I'm gonna go back and watch this and be mad.